Hi everyone. Sorry. My name is Sam. I'm 25 years old and I live on Long Island. I am extremely excited to start my next field placement, which will be at an organization dealing with children with cancer or other life-threatening illnesses, as well as mental illnesses or behavioral issues. So I'll be working with those children and their families. I am really looking forward to this because I eventually want to become a pediatric oncology social worker, so I want to work with kids with cancer. So I think this is just a really awesome step in the right direction. It's exactly what I was looking for when I was searching for internships, and it's just exactly where I want to be. So I'm super excited to start that. Um, and I think this will be very different from my last internship. I was placed in a nursing home last placement, and going from working with the elderly to working with children will be very different. I've always wanted to work with children, so this is more my speed. And working with the elderly, that was actually my first time with that internship. So I enjoyed it. I did. And I actually got hired from that placement, which was really cool. Um, but it just wasn't necessarily what I wanted to do. And I think that the social worker that I worked with, she wasn't used to having an intern shadow her, so it was very difficult in the beginning. It took a while for her to want me involved in everything, which I think hindered my learning experience just a little bit. I wanted to learn all that nitty gritty, the phone calls and the paperwork and the forms, and it took a while for her to let me even be involved in any of that stuff. And um, I was kind of just stuck every day going to visit residents, which was nice. I got to know them all, and they all got to know me, but I didn't learn the other side of it, which I think is just as important as the face-to-face side. Um, so I am very excited to start this new internship where I was told that there is no hand holding. You get a week of, training where you kind of just sit in and you're still engaged, but you're not running a session. And then after that, I'm on my own. I do my own stuff. I handle everything the way that I see fit, of course, with guidance from my field liaison. And that's what I was looking for. So definitely going to have two very different experiences, which I think both will obviously help me in the long run. Um, but I am very excited to learn through this agency and share my experiences with you guys and hear your experiences as well, because that'll help me just as much as my own learning. So I'm very excited to start this, and I look forward to hearing all of your stories and experiences and everything you have to share. I look forward to it, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.